Here's how to get iPhone emojis in your Android phone or Samsung phone. On your Samsung phone, open any browser and search for Resider iPhone emoji. I'm going to turning off desktop side. Okay, now all you have to need, open this first link, resider.com. In here, scroll down until you see the download option. So here we can see the download iOS emoji app. Tap on that and scroll down. You have to wait 10 seconds to download the iOS emoji on your phone. Now finally tap on download app. Tap on install. Once the app successfully installed, open this iPhone keyboard app on your Samsung device. And if you're first time in this app, let's see how to set up. Just tap on next. Tap on allow. And here, under keyboard, we have to select this iOS keyboard. And you can choose any keyboard theme. I'm selecting this one. Tapping on applied. Now here come to this iPhone keyboard list and we have to enable iPhone keyboard. Just tap this button and here enable iPhone keyboard. Tap on OK. Okay. Now here choose input method. We have to select iPhone keyboard. And now let's open my keyboard from Notes app. And as you can see, I got iPhone keyboard. Going to emoji section. And here we can see all iPhone emojis. Now you can easily use iPhone emojis on your Android or Samsung device.